Hello, this is David Smith. I'm the chairman of British African Business Alliance, and I'm here in Bradford today with the Honourable Minister for the municipal city of Bulawayo. We're talking about how Bulawayo can engage with UK business, international investors and members of the diaspora to stimulate the development of businesses and commercial opportunities at home in Bulawayo. There are many opportunities. Listening to the Minister, I find myself talking to someone who has her feet very firmly on the ground and her dreams are way, way up in the sky. But what I would say is those dreams are practical dreams. They're about making changes to the way people live to enhance what they get out of their lives. Not through dramatic changes in wealth, but through sensible step changes that they can make in the way in which they live, the way in which they earn, and the things that they do. Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, and Africa have huge resources. They're not well managed currently. They're not making the opportunities work. And that's really what I'd like to see happen. So I'm very pleased to be working with the Minister. I'm very pleased to be working with the people of Bradford and with the diaspora community to enable this mission to turn into something really worthwhile.